we are gonna be opening a Plush Craft fabric by number. Fun and easy, no sewing. Let's start the craft. So we got the instructions, the stylus, and this the 268 fabric pieces, and these here. And the main thing is the pillow. So we're gonna take the stylus and take a fabric, put it at the number, and take your stylus, poke it in. Okay, now we're gonna start with number 2. Okay, now we're gonna start with number 3. Okay, now is for the best part, the hair. So we need only one, and then fold it for double, and then take your stylus, put it at a different side, and then you want to poke it. Now we're going to take the last number, number 8. We're going to take the stick thing and peel off the sticker from it. Now we peeled it off. Now we take it, put it at the section where it says I. Stick it. Take this I. Put it on the. Ta-da! See? Now we're just gonna fix the hair.